Hi guys, hope you're doing fine. In this particular video we will look into how we can work with numbers in Python. So I have opened up my terminal. Now I'll hit Python. Okay, now I'm into the interactive mode for Python. Let's take a variable and assign its value 1. Okay, if I try to see its type, it's an integer type. Okay, now let's reassign this value and I say 1L, prefix the value, prefix 1 with L. Now if I try to see its type, it will give me long. So basically the first one was normal integer type, and within integer there is also long type integers, which is used for storing long or maybe large size of numbers within Python. So the memory assigned for long type would be a lot more compared to normal integer type. So if I 1.20 to num and try to run this, I'm able to get this value 1.2. but if I want to convert this value into an integer, so if I run this and try to hit num again, it will convert it into a whole number. So 1.20, if I pass this particular value into integer function, well, let's see, just see the raw one, 1.20 into the integer function, it will return 1 as a whole number. Similarly, if I pass 1 into float function, it will return 1.0. It will return as a decimal number. So that's how we can work with general numbers. Like the float numbers are going to be the decimal numbers, the whole numbers will be integers, and within integers there are normal integers and then long type integers, which are large numbers. Similarly, we do have other functions as well. Yeah, so let's look into some functions like abs function. If we pass -10 into abs function, it will give us the whole number, that is 10, the absolute number. Similarly, we have a round function here. So in round function, if we pass 12.76 and we give it the second argument as 1, so it means we want to round it to one decimal point after, 1 point after the decimal. So if we hit this, it will return the value of 12.8. Similarly, within the round function, we can also use like this. And then 2 as the second argument. It will mean it will have two digits after the point. So 12.77 is going to be the returned value after running this particular expression. So I think that's it for the number section of the tutorial. We'll look into the other stuff in upcoming videos. Hope you're enjoying our tutorials. So please feel free to subscribe to our channel and enjoy the other tutorials that we are going to put in the coming future as well. Thanks for watching.